Do you know the importance of choice, chance, and change in your life? You must make the choice to take the chance if you want in your life to change something. Today we are going to talk on what is the importance of 7 rules in our life. So let's get started. First is let it go. Never ruin a good day by thinking about a bad yesterday that you spent. Look, nothing will change by thinking or overthinking about what you have done in the past. What you can do is don't try to repeat whatever you have done in the past or what makes you feel guilty. Second is ignore them. Don't listen to other people. Live a life that's empowering to you. Just do what you think is good for you. Never give this power to another person to decide what you have to do. You know what is good for you or what is bad for you than anyone else. But yes, if you wanted to be the best, then you have to work harder than anyone else. Third is give it time. Time heals everything. Give time to yourself for healing. It will take time, but yes, one day you will be healed. Now, healing doesn't mean that damage never existed, but it means that damage no longer control your lives. You have that strength that you don't let damage control your life or your future or anything. Always learn to wait. There is always time for everything. Fourth is don't compare yourself. The only person you should try to beat is the person you were yesterday. Don't compare yourself or anyone with anyone because everyone is different from one another. Everyone has different skills and abilities. Always remember, no one is you and that is your power. So strengthen your power more and more because your weakness doesn't know your strength. Fifth is try to be calm and positive. It's okay not to have everything figured out. Know that in time you will get there where you belongs to. So stay calm and positive because calmness brings strength to your life to not depend on others, and yes, with that you will have that power to figure out everything with yourself. Sixth is it's all on you. You are in charge of your happiness that you have to remind yourself daily. Don't let others' behavior destroy your inner peace. And always remind yourself that I will not obsess over things that are out of my control. Then only you will be able to declare that I am in charge of my happiness and I'm not going to give this power to anyone. Seventh is smile. Live life when you have it. One day we all will go. So live life when you have it. Spread your smile everywhere. It is of no cost. You can give it to anyone and spread happiness all over the world. And train your mind to see good in every situation. So be amazing, be astonishing, be careful, be lovable, and live your life. Thank you.